is Stapleton Airport information, Mike. Wind at 320 degrees at 6, temperature 53, altimeter 3000. ILS approach runway 26 left. More vector to the traffic pattern in use. Landing runways, runway 26 left for large aircraft, and runway 26 right for light aircraft. Tower frequency 118.3.
We are initiating Field Report 3. This is no longer isolated observation. We are now comparing behaviors across time. Previous reports documented two distinct behaviors. Presence in Episode 1, motion in Episode 2. But what we are now seeing is something different. We are no longer seeing or studying objects. We are studying patterns. When we align prior footage side by side, the similarities appear consistent at first, but consistency is only surface level. Beneath that, small deviations begin to emerge. At first glance, the motion appears identical. Same object class, same environmental conditions. But the trajectory, the timing, it's off. Not randomly off, precisely off. As if the sequence has been adjusted. At this timestamp, the pattern breaks entirely. The movement does not match any recorded behavior from previous episodes. It is not repetition. It is variation, but structured variation, which raises a critical question. Is this still random motion, or something responding to prior observation? When we reconstruct the trajectory, the expected path does not align with actual movement. There is a deviation curve, not chaotic, but controlled, as if all the systems selected a different outcome. Across multiple clips, the same pattern repeats, but never identically. Each instance carries a slight modification, a shift in timing, a change in direction, a deviation that feels intentional. When viewed across multiple sources, the inconsistency remains. Different angles, different sensors, same behavioral divergence. This is not a single anomaly. This is a repeating system behavior. One detail stands out. In several instances, movement appears to change when observed more directly, as if detection itself influences behavior. This introduces a new variable. Observation may not be passive. It may be interactive. If these deviations are not random, then they represent something more complex. A system capable of variation, adaptation, or response. At this stage, we are no longer analyzing objects. We are analyzing behavior patterns that evolve. When we combine all three field reports, a sequence begins to emerge. Presence, motion, adaptation. Each episode builds on the last, each deviation more refined than the previous. We are now observing consistency in inconsistency, and that may be the most important signal yet. Field Report 3 complete, but the pattern continues.